Reducing dependency on fossil fuel is of vital importance. While a shift towards electric-driven and even hybrid equipment is happening, diesel-driven generators are not becoming any less obsolete. On the contrary, the reality is that a stable source of electricity isn't always available, especially in the more remote locations where renewable energy projects are often being constructed, like geothermal drill sites or offshore wind farms. The key is decreasing running hours and harmful emissions, while increasing the generator's efficiency and performance. Working with renewable sources, mainly solar and wind, is unpredictable. It's not possible to control the weather, well, at least not yet. We can combine power modules with other equipment, and that also counts for renewable energy sources in order to have stable power at the consumer. This is what we call a hybrid power stations. These hybrid systems can be used as a power reserve or as a backup when power generated by solar or wind is not enough. It can run as prime power and accept additional power, or it can be connected with energy storage systems alone, like battery modules. It's this last combination that is getting very popular when oversized generators are used. The batteries can absorb peaks and reduce the size of the generator. All in all, depending on the setup, we are talking about opportunities in reducing fuel consumption on CO2 emissions. And the sky is the limit, or actually there are no limits. You could save up to 100%. No fuel means zero emissions. And in that case, your generator will be available as backup. Just in case you need it. Good news for the environment and for your operations cost.